Welcome to App Verdict. Today we are looking at a brand new tool called BookMint. The creators claim this software can research, write, format, and publish a complete Kindle book and audiobook in just 47 seconds. They also claim it will help you collect daily Amazon royalties while you watch Netflix. Are these claims actually true, or is this just another hype-filled software? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how BookMint works. I will also reveal the massive flaw in their sales pitch and how my exclusive bonus bundle fixes that flaw so you can actually make money. Do not buy BookMint until you watch this review because I am also going to warn you about the 9-step upsell funnel that will try to drain your wallet. Here is my honest first impression. BookMint is actually very impressive. It completely removes the technical nightmares of formatting, designing covers, and paying voice actors for audiobooks. It gets your book on Amazon fast. But here's the hard truth. Amazon will not send you free traffic just because you published a book. If you want to make real money, you need to drive initial traffic to your book so the Amazon algorithm takes notice. That is exactly why I put together a massive bonus bundle for you. You will get my top 10 traffic and marketing tools for free when you pick up BookMint through the link in my description. So what exactly is BookMint and who is it for? BookMint is a cloud-based AI publishing agent. It's designed for complete beginners, affiliate marketers, and anyone who wants to build a passive income stream on Amazon without writing a single word. Normally, publishing a book means paying a ghostwriter $1,000, paying a cover designer $200, and paying an audio narrator even more. Then you have to wait weeks for the work to be done. BookMint solves this major problem. It does all of the heavy lifting for you. It finds a profitable niche, writes the entire book, designs the cover, formats the file for Kindle, and even creates a human-sounding audiobook. Let me walk you through the dashboard so you can see how simple this really is. When you log in, you won't see complicated menus, you just see a clean dashboard. Step 1, you type in a keyword or a basic idea. For example, you can type keto recipes or self-help for beginners. Step 2, you click the Create button. That's it. You don't need to write prompts or tweak settings. The software goes to work. First, it scans Amazon to find low competition angles for your keyword. Next, it writes a full 10,000-word manuscript. Then, it automatically formats the text with perfect margins and chapter breaks. While it does that, the AI generates a professional cover design that actually looks good. Finally, the AI voice engine turns your text into a studio-quality audiobook. You can then download your files and push them straight to your Amazon account. It's insanely fast. Now let's talk about the price and the upsell funnel. The front-end price for BookMint is $17. This is a one-time fee, and it's absolutely worth it. But as soon as you buy, they will present you with 9 different upgrades. Please listen carefully. You do not need all of them. I highly recommend picking up OTO1 for $67. This unlocks unlimited publishing and removes all restrictions. It's the best value in the entire funnel. If you want to start a ghostwriting agency and sell books to local clients for $500 each, then grab OTO2. Skip the rest of the upgrades. Keep your money. Just get the $17 front end and the first upgrade. Earlier, I mentioned that BookMint has one big flaw. It doesn't give you an instant audience. You need to drive your own traffic to get those first few sales. To solve this, I'm giving you 10 exclusive app verdict bonuses for free when you buy through the link below this video. Bonus number 1 is Traffic Secrets Unleashed. This training shows you how to get massive amounts of laser-targeted visitors for pennies. Send this traffic to your Amazon book link to boost your rankings. Bonus number 2 is Keyword Research Ninja. This tool helps you find the exact profitable keywords buyers are typing into Amazon right now. Bonus number 3 is Promo Video Secrets. Learn how to quickly make high-quality book trailers to share on social media. Bonus number 4 is FB Fan Page Training. I will show you how to build a brand page for your author pen name to gather loyal readers. Bonus number 5 is Email List Secrets. Discover how to capture your readers' email addresses so you can sell your next book to them instantly. Bonus number 6 is Lead Generation Authority. Master the art of capturing leads for your new publishing business. Bonus number 7 is Article Analyzer. Use this tool to optimize your Amazon book descriptions so they rank higher in search results. Bonus number 8 is WP Email Timer Plus. Add urgency to your book promotions to double your sales conversions. Bonus number 9 is Affiliate Sales Engine. Learn how to make even more money by promoting other people's books as an affiliate. Bonus number 10 is Social Media Viral Content Builder. Lock your free preview chapters so people have to share your link on social media to read them. BookMint is a fantastic tool that will save you thousands of dollars and hundreds of hours. It handles the writing and the formatting perfectly. When you combine the speed of BookMint with the traffic strategies in my bonus bundle, you have a complete, profitable business model. But you need to act fast. My exclusive bonus package is strictly limited to the first 50 buyers. Once those spots are gone, I'm pulling the bonuses down. Don't miss out on this. Click the link in the description below right now to secure your copy of BookMint and claim all 10 of my custom bonuses. Thank you for watching this app verdict review. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and tech strategies. To get your bonuses, simply click the link below, purchase BookMint, and your bonuses will be waiting for you automatically inside your purchase receipt area. Go click the link below now, and I will see you in the next video.